Hello friends, I am Dr. Subhash Inde, working as Assistant Professor in Guru Nanak College of Pharmacy, Nagpur. Here I am with a new video that is on drug discovery and development. Now what is drug discovery and development? So it is a process of invention of a new drug and its development. Invention is a continuous process and treatment of any disease require a new potent drug or modification of existing drug just to enhance its efficacy and safety. So it is the mission of pharmaceutical research companies to take the path from understanding a disease to bringing a safe and effective new treatment to patient. But drug development is a highly complex, tedious, competitive, costly, and commercially risky process since it requires a set of a big pharmaceutical house having resources, infrastructure, and team of scientists to carry out multiple specialized stages. So the research of new drug discovery involves some stages. First is selection and validation of target, where one must identify the disease and target for the potential medicine. Then discovery of right molecule, the invention and synthesis of a new potential drug for that selected target. Then study of a new compound in the lab and the clinic for safety and efficacy, and then gain approval and get a new drug into the hand of doctor and patient. So these are some stages which involve in drug discovery and development. But this whole process take almost 10 to 15 years and cost crores of rupees. And from almost 10,000 molecules which enter into R&D pipeline, only one or two can receive approval. Now take a look of stages of drug discovery and development. So the first stage, there is a synthesis of new chemical entity or modification of already existing chemical entity or identification, solvent extraction and isolation of compound from natural sources such as herbs, mineral source, biological source or marine source. Nowadays, one can identify the lead molecule using molecular docking or in silico studies. So this first stage almost take almost 1 to 2 year, and then that lead molecule or new molecule which is identified or which is synthesized enter into the next stage, that is preclinical studies. Now in next stage preclinical studies, that molecule is tested on animal for exposure of its pharmacological profile, where experiments are generally carried out on rodent like mouse, rat, guinea pig, or rabbit. In this stage, different type of tests are performed, such as pharmacokinetic tests, such as ADME, then toxicity test, and different screening tests to check the desired pharmacological activity of that lead molecule. Again, this stage require 2 to 4 years, and then the data of preclinical studies again submitted to FDA in the form of IND, that is investigational new drug application. Then FDA review that data and give approval or may modify the modification in the application. After getting approval from FDA as investigational new drug, the lead molecule is then formulated into a suitable dosage form and enter into next stage, that is called clinical trial. In clinical trial, the drug is tested in human volunteer, either patient or healthy volunteers. Clinical studies are conventionally divided into four phases. This phase 1 to phase 4. In phase 1, effective dose and safety of new drug is evaluated in small number of volunteers, that is 20 to 80 subjects. In phase 2 clinical trial, drug effectiveness for treating a specific type of disease is checked in 100 to 500 patients. Further, dose range, tolerability, and pharmacokinetic is also studied. Phase 3 trial are randomized double-blind comparative trial conducted in larger patient, that is 500 to 3000 patient. In this trial, safety and tolerability are assessed on wider scale, and the value of drug in relation to existing therapy is established. It take almost 3 to 8 years. Then the data of phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 clinical trial then have to submit to FDA in the form of NDA, that is called new drug application. If convinced, FDA give permission for marketing of new drug. And the last stage is post-marketing surveillance or studies, which is nothing but the phase 4 clinical trials, where efficacy, acceptability, and adverse effect are checked, and the data of adverse effect are collected from large number of patients. In summary, drug discovery and development is a highly complex, competitive, and costly process, and take at least 10 to 15 years. New drug development involve several stages such as synthesis, isolation of compound, preclinical studies, clinical trial, and post-marketing surveillance. I hope this video fulfill your knowledge regarding drug discovery and development. Thank you very much.